Wow, athletics is really
Oh, got some. Just
spending the money down there.
they always do. They always do.
So is this file there? You're saying that? This file, look at it.
Stop, just sign it, don't.
No, that's not right, Chris. No, it's not.
Here's a real one.
Folks, I'd like to start the open workshop. Good.
Do whatever you feel you have to.
It is 5:18. I'll start the open workshop. I'll take a roll call. Trustee Burke.
Here.
Trustee Cassius.
Here.
Trustee Egan.
Here.
Trustee Stefan.
Here.
Trustee Watson.
Here.
Trustee Wilbeck.
Here.
Vice President Munoz.
Here.
President Fawad.
Here.
In regards to the agenda, you've seen every resolution except A25 was just added, and that's a change of the meeting date for September. Our original date was the same night as back to school, so we're bumping it one day. Instead of Tuesday, it's Wednesday, September 29th. There's no back to school. Except for that resolution,
Okay, so it's not the 20th.
the 29th. And also on C47, there was a contract with Montclair Speech for one of our students. Everything else you've got. Okay, so just those two. We are tabling resolution C38, being tabled till next month. I'd like to read into the record. I handed out to you. This will be for our August 31st meeting. Policies 3218 and 4218. Use, possession, distribution of substances, teaching staff and support staff. You could review this. If there's any changes that you think should be made, please contact Trustee Egan and we'll work on that. One other item. Trustees were invited September. There's a Teacher of the Year. It's sold out. They're holding a couple of spots for trustees. Please reach out to Dr. McGee as soon as possible if you'd like to go.
What date is that again?
It's a Saturday.
I don't know.
It's a Saturday, Friday or Saturday.
I think it's September 26th then is a Saturday.
Wait,
Friday.
I'm sorry, the 27th is a Saturday?
It's a Friday. For what?
it's a Friday, the 24th.
What's that?
There you go.
Okay?
So it's not back to Teacher of the Years, I'm sorry, Teacher of the Year.
Yeah, and they have
It's on the 24th of September.
There you go. So anybody that wants to go, please,
What is the date again? I'm sorry. 24th.
help me with the
Thank
date.
24th of September.
September 24th at the Chandelier. Okay.
Gary, if we don't plan on going, do we have to let you know or no?
No, let Dr. McGee know if you want to go.
Good enough.
You don't have to let me know anything.
Okay.
Well, you brought it up, so I'll let you know.
Superintendent, that's all that I have left over to cover with the board. President, if there was anything you guys have.
Dr. Mayor, where is the dinner again?
I believe it's the Chandelier.
Yes, I'm still signing.
Yeah, $65.
What's the date?
I think it's the 24th. I'll be thinking of you, I'll be fishing.
No, I'm sorry.
Because I put it there.
Unfortunately, I will not be at the event.
Gary gave it to me. You're quoted in there. I wasn't quoted.
Anything? I think I could, oh, I'm sorry, Ken. Actually, Ken, would you look, how about we do, C2 and C3? Folks, would we turn to C2 and C3 on personnel? Mr. Kopad.
Thanks, Tom. C2, in accordance with the Bayonne Board of Education Policy 5512, during this reporting period, one incident of harassment, intimidation, and bullying has been reported and investigated at Bayonne High School. In this case, there was no confirmed evidence of the investigated acts of HIV. strategies, resources, and remedial measures were implemented. All documentation is being retained by the school anti-bullying coordinator. Then you go to C3. This is the self-assessment that is a requirement from the State Anti-Bullying Bill of Rights Act. This is done on an annual basis. It is certified by the state. After tonight, we have the resolution. It is certified by the state. It will go on each website and the district website, and we will collect the 2020 and 2021 now, and that'll be certified next school year. Any questions? Feel free.
Folks, we're just going to see if we are adjourning to the public meeting or if we're adjourning to a closed session. That's all I have.
We're good.
Good? All right, so at this time, we're going to adjourn the open workshop to our public meeting at 6 o'clock. It is now 5:23. So the public can work their way down.